So in this quick video, we're going to see how you can add some nice graphics to a classic SharePoint wiki page. Okay, we're going to do it using a concept known as promoted links. Now, let's just add some pre-configured promoted links first of all, and then I'll show you how that's actually set up. So to add my promoted links, I go to Edit at the top right of my wiki page. I then choose where I want to insert these promoted links, these graphics. So I perhaps want to put them here. You then click on Insert, choose Web Part, and you'll see under the Apps category, there's various apps here. The one I'm interested in is this one here called Promoted Links. So you select Promoted Links and click on Add to add that to the page itself. There we go. So you can see there's my promoted links. What I can also do is also change how the title is displayed here. So promoted links doesn't look very friendly. So what I can do is edit the web part and actually change the title of this thing. Okay, so I can go to Appearance and change this to Useful Information, for example. Okay, so that's just standard SharePoint web part functionality. At this point, I can click on Apply. Okay, and there we go. There is now my nice graphics appearing along with the title called Useful Information. Okay, so that's nice. That gives us that ability to include nice structured graphics like this in our wiki page. How is this done behind the scenes? How have these web parts, how have these images been configured? How is the links being configured behind the scenes? Well, if you go to Site Contents for the site itself, you will notice that there is actually a list called Promoted Links. Okay, and that is what contains the details of what should be included there. Okay, so if I click on Promoted Links, what that will do is, well, actually what it has done is launched it in a separate page. Let me just zoom that down a little bit so we can see it in this video. That's launched this promoted links list, and you can include additional links here. What I like to do is simply use the quick edit option here. And quick edit, what it will do is put you into this Excel type view. And this is where you can configure what the links actually do. So there's my titles, for example. So the title there is Cometa. There is where I specify the background image location. Okay, so that's a link to a JPEG file, which I'm storing in the site assets for this wiki site. There's my description, and there's the link, the actual link to the underlying page that I want the user to be taken to. And if I want to add in an additional link, then it's simply a case of adding an extra row into this page here. So I can just copy an existing row, for example, and paste it, and maybe rename it, call this something new, another mountain, for example. So let's go for another mountain here. And of course, what I can do is, update the graphics and update the links and so on. But once I've done that, I simply click on Exit, Quick Edit. There is my new mountain link has just been created. If we now go back to the home page for the wiki itself, there we go. You can now see that new link has just been added. So a little bit of administration behind the scenes to maintain these things, but they're actually very useful and very powerful in terms of bringing some graphics into your SharePoint wiki page. It's also worth noting that you can have multiple promoted links lists. So if you wanted to have lots of these things in various pages, then you can create multiple promoted links. To add a new one, simply click on the site settings, add an app, and choose an extra promoted links app. So I'll click on promoted links and give it a unique name. Okay, so this could be beaches in the area, for example. Click on create, and there we go. We now have a brand new promoted links list, which you can then populate with the details, the images, the links, and so on, using that quick edit functionality as before, and then include that in your wiki pages.